You import all of your animation files, your Blockman or character should look something like this. Regardless of you have a walking character or a flying character, you should have move right, move left, jump right, jump left, and idle right, idle left. Now this little star, if by chance it's on the first animation you created, it will look like this. You should have your opening animation set to your idle, left or right, depending on where you're going to position your actor. So remember, you click the actor animation and you then click this star to make this the default animation. So I've set up my level and I have coded the basic motion for the Blockman, left and right. If you don't remember how to do that, pause the video here. Jump. You'll notice we've created our attribute on ground again. Pause here if needed. And then the actor. Make sure you remember it's the collision, actor, and group. Member of group collision. So you can select the tiles. Pause here if needed. So before we get into the switching the animation, a couple things to remember. Your tile sets, best to select the square collision boundary so you don't get stuck in between the collisions of walls. And your main character, under your physics, I don't want mine to rotate. And my material, I'm going to bring my friction down again to 0. 0. And we'll test our game after you've done all those things. And at this point, you should just have your character moving correctly and jumping. We will now get into the animations, which are surprisingly, what would I say? It's challenging to get all the animations working and stopping correctly. So stay tuned. That will be our next step.